Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the service light on a Volkswagen Golf. First, turn on your ignition without starting the engine. Next, locate and press the zero set button on your instrument cluster. Keep holding it down for about 20 seconds until the service message appears on your display. This initial step is crucial for preparing the system for the reset process. Once the service message is visible, release the zero set button. Immediately after, press the minute button on your clock. This action confirms your intention to reset the service interval. You should then see a confirmation message like "Service Now" or a similar indication on your display, signifying that the reset has been acknowledged by the vehicle's system. To reset the oil change interval, first turn off your ignition completely. Then, press and hold the zero set button on your instrument cluster once more. While still holding this button, turn your ignition back on. This specific sequence is necessary to access the oil service reset function, which is separate from the general service interval reset. After holding the zero set button for a few seconds with the ignition on, release it. Now, press the minute button on your clock to confirm the oil service reset. The display should show a confirmation. Finally, turn off your ignition completely to save these new settings. Your oil change service reminder should now be successfully reset and ready for your next maintenance cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.